In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Elden Ring has stopped working widescreen error on Steam. Now the first thing is you want to find the game on Steam. Now I'm not on my laptop so I don't have it on this one, but you want to find Elden Ring and then right click, Properties, Installed Files and Verify Integrity of Game Files. Once you've done that, what you want to do is you want to come down here and search for Steam, right click, Open File Location and then right click again and Open File Location. Once you're in the Steam folder, you want to find Steam Apps, Common, Elden Ring, and find your launcher. Now, you want to right click on it, Properties, Compatibility, and activate these two. Press Apply and OK, and then try and launch the game and see if this works now. If it's still not working, what we can do is we can try and search for Windows Update and check if we have a Windows Update. If for some reason it's still not working, you can come to Firewall. In here, what you want to do is allow an app, change settings, first find the Steam, make sure all three are ticked, this one, and this one. And after you've done that, you want to find the Elden Ring. If you cannot find it, you just want to find the folder I just showed you before where we activated compatibility. And then you want to allow another app, browse, and you want to find the .exe file that we just looked at before. Then you want to make sure that it's also checked on these three. After that, try and restart your PC. Now, if for some reason it's still not working, the last thing that I suggest is just doing a clean reinstall of the game. So right click on it here and uninstall. And then what you want to do is you want to reinstall it after you've done that. Now, I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.